Here is the basic clawhammer strum. I'm going to start on my index finger. You can start on your middle finger if you want to strum, but I like to use my index. So I hit index, and I'm hitting the first string, and then I'm brushing across all of the strings, and then with my thumb resting on the fifth string, and then the thumb just kind of pops off with gravity, just like that. So I hit index, brush, thumb, index, brush, thumb, index, brush, thumb. The thumb is the sort of in between the beats. So 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. And then now you can, but you don't have to stay on the first string. You can go to the second string, like this. You can go second string, and the energy is coming from your elbow when you're doing this. So second string, brush, thumb. Then you can do the third string, brush, thumb. And the fourth string. So going from the first string, second string, third string, fourth string, first, second, third, fourth. Now I'm just going to stay on the first string. And there you go.